You know what is wild? AI isn't just answering questions anymore, it's creating a full blog. Layout, SEO, images, and product links, infographics, it's all done. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I built this entire blog that you're seeing right now in under 3 minutes without writing a word. And if you want to create content around sustainable fashion, autoblogging.ai will change the way you publish. Let me show you how. Once you log in into autoblogging.ai, on your left panel, you're going to see different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm going with wizard because it helps you go setting by setting. So even if you're not sure what to pick, it guides you. Article title, I'm going to type building an eco-conscious wardrobe. Seven sustainable fashion essentials. Next, for the language, I'm going to pick English, but you can also switch to any of the 30 supported languages like Spanish, French, Japanese, depending on your audience. I'm choosing medium. That's perfect for the content like this. You get enough depth to explain each essential item. Short is great for a tip-based list or newsletter style, and long is perfect for a deep dive guides or an SEO content. Here I'm going to pick listicle because it's a roundup format. Each wardrobe essential gets its own section, but here's what others do. Informative is a step-by-step blog or an educational piece. Places is best for location-based roundups like Sustainable Boutique in New York. And service bar landing pages is if you're building a landing page like book your wardrobe consultation, then this is going to be a perfect pick. So listicle for today. For the tone, this is basically a point of view. So I'm going to choose second person here so the article speaks directly to the reader. But if you're writing about a personal styling or a personal blog, then first person, and third person is for more neutral and publication style voice. So second person. I'm going to pick conversational here because this is a lifestyle blog and a friendly voice works well. But here's what other style do. Auto will, the AI will decide and adjust the style based on the topic. Less AI is for more natural and human feeling. Premium style 1 is optimized formatting for SEO tools, and snippet optimizer helps your content show up in the Google featured answer. And witty is more playful, and professional is for more B2B and good for brands if they're writing. Conversational. Here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Intense optimized article. It helps structure the blog better for SEO with headings, keyword placement, and more. Add FAQs will insert real questions what people are Googling, and it will automatically add to the blog. AI images will add relevant visuals like plant-based fabrics or layout inspiration. So yeah. And infographics will add visual summaries or a checklist. SERP analysis. Now autoblogging scans the current top blogs on sustainable fashion. Then it builds your article to match that particular SERP structure. So you're not doing any guesswork here. You just have to enable this, and in the source context box, you can type how you need your article to be. In the SERP location, you can also select the country where you need to rank first. Here, I'm also going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Outline from competition makes sure your content flows like high-ranking ones. External links will add credible references like sustainable clothing brands or studies around it. YouTube videos will add relevant tutorial or styling video at the end. Add key takeaways adds a final summary at the end of your blog. Great for skimmers. Proofreading. Now just enable this and leave a quick note here saying keep it friendly or make sure it flows naturally. So this helps clean up the tone, phrasing and grammar. Next, internal linking. Now if you have already written other style blogs or a lifestyle blog, just enable this and paste your domain here, and autoblogging will auto-link this post to the older ones, which improves the site SEO and readers engagement. Next, Human proofreading. Just turn this on and leave a note like check product brand names or fact check links. So you'll need a proof reading credits here. You can always purchase them from our dashboard. Now hit on generate article. Click on the history tab. Scroll down and click on the view like icon here. That's it. Your full sustainable fashion article is ready with images, layouts, SEOs, infographics and headlines, everything at once. If you want to be quicker next time, go on quick and single mode. It is just as same as Wizard but with fewer clicks, and you can also choose our bulk generate option where you can generate from 10 to 50 to even 100 blogs at once. It is ideal for fashion agencies or seasonal campaigning planning. And yes, you can even auto post straight to the WordPress. Sustainable style doesn't have to take hours to write about. With autoblogging.ai, your fashion content is ready in minutes. And if you've got client launches or weekly drops, then we also offer a done-for-you blog service where you grow your brand and we'll handle your blogs. Just hit a like, subscribe, and tell me your next blog niche in the comment, and I'll show you how to build that.